This is a very luxurious motorhome in under 3 minutes. So, company's called Dembell. It comes from manufactured in Hungary using German technology. And I mean, the first thing that strikes me though, layout. Well, obviously the layout is probably done to customer specifications, but to be quite honest, I'm not impressed by it. Mind you, I am impressed by the quality of the fittings. You may say, what's the point of a little small table like that? I don't know if the customer ordered it, but if it had been me, I would have tried to stop the customer actually ordering it. I'd say that, are you sure that's what you want? Hey, mind you, this looks pretty good. Well, let's go to the back first. How much does it cost? Haven't got a clue. Got a big slide out here. But I can tell you this. In front of the decimal point, there's going to be 7 figures. That I can't tell you. It certainly looks like a luxurious hotel as far as the fittings are concerned. Toilet through here. This is a bit of a, I suppose it's meant to be a dressing room, and it looks fantastic, it really does. For somebody who, I did work as a hotel developer, but the layout is horrendous, I think. People don't have an idea of how to put things in the right position. Anyway, that's my opinion, and there will be, however, Lynn from Chicago will be making a comment on this, and I'll pin her comment. She is an interior designer, and she can actually say something much more intelligent than I can on this vehicle. So, I mean, to be careful, I've had to put these shower caps on my feet, as you can see. And anyway, that's understandable. We'll want to sell it. You can see this one in 3 minutes as well. Longer video, link below. Thanks.